And finally, Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service KEPHIS has announced that it is planning to implement the vessel and container inspection charges from March 1st this year, where 2,000 shillings will be charged for a vessel and 500 shillings per 40-feet container. Now, according to KEPHIS Managing Director, Professor Theophilus Mutui, the inspection is to ensure that vessels and sea containers are clean and do not bring materials that harbor pests and disease-causing organisms from other countries.
What we want to do is to develop a structure where, number one, the investors feel safe, that they can put their money knowing very well that you don't wake up one day and just kick them out of the farm. But on the other hand, we also want to make sure that the investor does not acquire land and keep it for themselves, just holding it. We want to make sure that the investor cannot transfer the land that has been allocated to them to another entity, for profit or whatever it is.
Between KEPHIS and other, gatekeepers in this country, like the KEPHIS, the Mombasa authority, and to see who should do what best, and therefore we should propose that such responsibilities are discharged by the most relevant institution. So Uganda has very fruitful engagement, and I believe this is what we are going to do as a committee. We shall be going out to other institutions within the sector to get to know exactly how they are doing the work.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of this edition of Business Prime.